The iPhone 13 was finalized, and today we're getting a good look at what the phone is going to look like along with the upgrade that we all wanted to see. Before we get started though, please like the video if you're an Apple fan and let me know in the comments what your favorite Apple device is, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. So the first story of the day is more confirmations of 1TB iPhones and LiDAR scanners across the whole of the iPhone 13 range. Daniel Ives from Wedbush has backed up this information in a recent investors note where he says that we'll see 1TB iPhones for the Pro and the Pro Max, and that's actually double the current maximum capacity. He also reaffirms that even the lowest model, the iPhone 13 mini, is going to have a LiDAR scanner as Apple want to progress augmented reality. Now Ming-Chi Kuo disagreed with this back in March, and he believes that it's only going to be in the Pro models, so hopefully we'll get a new research note from him soon to see if his opinion has changed, but for now I would take it with a grain of salt as Ming-Chi Kuo has proved his reliability again and again. We also had previous rumours of millimeter wave 5G coming to more regions for the iPhone, and in a new report from Digitimes they agree. According to Digitimes' new report, they believe that 50% of the iPhone 13s are going to be shipped with millimeter wave antenna, and this of course makes sense as 5G progresses and more countries adopt the millimeter wave technology. Next up, we've got news that all of the iPhone 13s are getting the upgrade we've been waiting for, and that is of course batteries. Digital Chat Station posted the capacities on Weibo, where he states that the iPhone 13 mini has a 2406 mAh battery compared to the predecessor's 2227. The iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro have a capacity of 3095 compared to the predecessor's 2805, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max has a capacity of 4352 compared to the predecessor's 3687. So it's not huge numbers given the mini is increasing by 179 mAh, the 13 and the 13 Pro increased by 290, and the Pro Max has a bit more of a gain with 665 mAh extra. Now that being said, something is better than nothing, and although it is increasing in thickness slightly, I feel the higher capacities are needed, especially with the battery drain of 5G, and the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max having 120Hz displays, they're of course going to consume more power. Now next up, we've got the reveal of the iPhone 13 design. We've had many renders and designs posted online, some of which are based on the leaked CAD, and this has now been published. Considering the news of the iPhone 13 being finalized and reliable leakers getting hold of this CAD, we can be pretty certain that this is the phone. The CAD files have even been provided by leaker John Prosser of Front Page Tech, who's given everyone a link to download the standard and the Pro model CAD for the iPhone 13. Now I'll link to his video down in the description below if you want to download these files yourselves. You can open them with something like FreeCAD, which you can download for free, and the links are in his video description. But they show us the design we've all been expecting, a nice full screen display with slim bezels and a smaller notch. The phone is slightly thicker to accommodate for the batteries, and on the back we have a larger camera bump, but you can see it's a lot more curved than the predecessor. Now it's important to note this is still a leak, and although it does seem very likely, it could be from an earlier design or prototype, but I think this is what we're going to get. So it's great news all round for those of you that are waiting for the iPhone 13, and although there are global shortages for electronics, it seems that Apple are still going to release on time and they should have plenty of stock. So that's it for the whole iPhone 13 series. The launch is expected to be in September, and although there have been many delays across the industry this year, reports suggest that the iPhone 13 is not affected. While no date has been confirmed yet, it's likely to be the 14th of September, so it's not too much longer to wait. Of course, as always, I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments. Who out there is excited for the Apple iPhone 13, and are you happy with the new specs? But thanks for watching.